Halloween night, under the moon, shining so bright. The cat, the horse, the dog and the pig, with the sheep, the chicken and the cow, they did jig. The cat carved a pumpkin, a spooky grin. The horse fought for apples with a happy spin. The dog told ghost stories that gave a fright. The pig ate candies with all his might. The sheep dressed as a ghost with a boom so loud. The pig being a vampire flapping in the crowd. The cow a scary monster mooing with glee. They danced and played, happy and free.